Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl, Keeb in the building. Okay, new hair, new video. You know what that means. So y'all, I've been on a mission to find the most effortless wigs, darling. So we gonna get all the way up into this here video. Okay, let's go. So the hair I'm using today is from hairvivi.com. I love the way their packaging always comes. It's like so crisp, neat, and well packed. So here's the wig fresh out the pack. Look at the color of that lace already, getting me excited. Okay, Christmas, reindeer ears. Pretty cute pair of lashes actually, and I like the packaging of those lashes too, pretty proper. And then it comes with 2 clips as well. So this wig, I think it's about 12 inches. I love the lace color already. Look at this, guys. What's going on? Like, this bad boy is smooth, silky. Look at the section here, the parting, the tweezing. It already comes with a built-in cap, so you don't have to worry about the ball cap method. You guys already know, if you've been here for a little while, I don't actually like doing the ball cap method. It's too much work. It's too much product. I'm a take off my wig every day kind of person, so I don't like that. So my low maintenance self decided, you know what, let's try a ting. I'm gonna do my first wig with no braids. I always braid my hair, but no, we ain't braiding it this time. Oh my god, we just gonna throw it back into a low ponytail and see if this wig can really do its thing. Ooh, when I put it on, I said, oh, okay, wig. So we've got no braids and no cap under this wig, y'all. And already the hairline's looking pretty good, but you know, your girl's got trust issues, so I had to tweeze a little bit more just in case. But I think, to be honest, most people's hairline, this would actually work really well with, and especially if you're not somebody who wants to do an overload of baby hair. So I just went and tweezed this up a little bit to my liking. So once I got everything a little bit more light and flat, I decided to use a bit of the Got2b gel on my flaps here. There's 2 things you really could have done in this situation. If you really want the ultimate low maintenance and you don't want to do nothing, you could have just tucked your flaps under, or depending on your situation, how much sideburns you have or don't have, you could use the gel and glue it down. I also don't want too much baby hair, so I just took a few pieces out in the front and used the little razor comb to shape them up, and I'm going to blend them in with my own natural baby hair. Love me my good old yellow Got2b gel, y'all. I definitely prefer it over the black one. I use the black one for like ponytails and stuff, but when it comes to like my edges and laying things down, I just prefer that it's tacky and you can really mold what you want almost right away. So while I was letting my hairline cook, I decided to do a bit of a wavy texture look, darling. I think I did a straight look pretty recently, so I'm like, let me just get some waves up in her, you know what I'm saying, while my hairline cooks. I'm using the headband, not the headband, but you know the band that we use inside of our wigs. That's what I'm using on my hairline instead of a tie head this time. I actually prefer this the best. I used to do it like years ago, and I kind of got lazy because sometimes I couldn't find a piece of band, so I just use my tie head. But I find it's the most like direct piece. So I'm using a 1-inch curling iron by Hot Tools. This one goes up to 450, y'all, and it curls your hair quick time. Run my fingers through it, no comb, honey, just see it coming all the way together. And now it's time, ooh, to take off the band. Let's just see how that hairline cooked all the way up. Ooh, she's looking natural, not too much baby hair, just like what my real natural hairline would be like, okay. But guys, honestly, this was probably one of the most low maintenance wigs. Hairvivi has not disappointed me for the second time. Honestly, I'm I'm in love, and I actually want to try a bunch of their other wigs because this, I'm all here for saving time, y'all. Like, we got things to do, we got bags to secure, we got life to do. Let's not spend too much time on our hair. Although we want to look fly, you know what I'm saying? Saving time is number one. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me at think.